Deepika Nagpal and you're watching Tele Chaska. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi and lots of love.
So speaking of the celebration, I think past 2 years we went through a very tough time with Corona, and because of which none of us could celebrate properly. So now that things have got normal, how does it feel? Getting back to festivities again, and just celebrating and meeting up.
To me, everybody is excited. Like last year also Ganpati was there. Luckily, not even single year I stopped. Even the lockdown, I got my Ganpati. Luckily, my makeup man called me and he said, "मैंने मिट्टी से बनाई दीदी, मुझे पैसे चाहिए." So it's like Ganpati Bappa did his own जुगाड़, and I got him here. And last year भी गणपति थे, लेकिन थोड़ा डर के ऐसे. But इस time पे वो वापस back to normal situation, ढोल, नगाड़ा, and all these things. So I'm feeling very nice. And it's very festive season. And I'm blessed, I'm grateful to God to give us this opportunity again, that we are happy again, we are smiling again. So बस यही कहूँगी कि जो मुसीबत थी चली गई, बुरा टाइम निकल गया, अब अच्छा टाइम.
जी बिल्कुल. सो नॉर्मली आप कितने दिन गणपति रखते हो?
मैं शुरू में 1.5 दिन रखती थी, बिकॉज शूटिंग में मैं जाती थी तब बच्चे छोटे थे तो था नहीं सेवा करने के लिए. Now from I think 15 years I'm cooking for 5 days.
Okay.
So my children are very excited, very enthused about it. So every night now I'm at home, she's gone and met her friend. Now she'll come back and then I'll go. So we do this duty part. And 5 दिन की गणपति होते तो उसमें क्या होता है कि 1.5 दिन ऐसा होता है अभी तो आए और अभी चले गए.
Correct.
5 days at least you enjoy somebody's here, the whole thing. So 5 days.
Nice. So how do you manage to celebrate festivals with your hectic schedule? आपकी projects की between your projects and everything, like like कोई भी festival हो, दिवाली हो या how do you take the time out?
आदमी को ना अंदर से खुशी होनी चाहिए. Multitasking, I was handling my children, my work.
Yeah.
20th was my birthday. It started from 19. I slept. Then 23rd is my daughter's birthday. Then my son's birthday on 5th September. So 3 of us went to Maldives. वहाँ से we coordinated. So it just happens,
Yeah.
Because now tomorrow I'm shooting. So I come back from the shoot. So I think I'm used to all this thing. If I don't live this kind of life, then I feel something is missing in my life. So
True.
The excitement has to be there.
So what is it like, celebrating Ganpati with your children? Like, what do they do anything special?
Of course, they do the entire thing. This year my daughter has done. They sit with me in the puja. Yeah, मेरे बेटे को खींच के निकालना पड़ता है. Indian dress. You have to come because he hates media. He said, "Don't take me in this." So उसको थोड़ा खींचना पड़ता है. But as my पंडित जी said कि आप संभाल रहे हो, इसलिए वो थोड़ा लेट बैक है. जिस दिन आप नहीं होंगे वो संभालेगा. So I want 20 साल है, मैं जब तक जिंदा हूँ मैं करती रहूँ और मेरे बाद मेरे बच्चे भी.
Nice, yes. So बात करें आपकी, do you have any projects or anything that you would like to tease your fans?
Yeah, right now you can see me in Now Umre Ki Seema on Star Bharat, and after 25 years I'm doing a positive role.
Yeah.
I'm thankful to my channel, my producer and my creators who thought of me. It's out and out positive and very dignified and classy, authoritative women. So it's a nice role to play because last time when I did Ranju Ki Betiya, Lalita as a performance was at peak. मुझे लगा था इसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगी. And Satyavati's character came to me. So I'm enjoying that too. And very nice people to work with. Iqbal Khan is there with me. And entire cast and crew is nice. And the subject is so nice. So I'm really happy.
Yes. So would you want to try your hands in OTT or web series or something like that? Now that
अभी तो लॉकडाउन खुला है. अभी मैंने लॉकडाउन में I was doing रंजू की बेटियाँ. खत्म होने के बाद I always take 3-4 month का break to be with my children. Now I've taken this. So once Ganpati Bappa everything festival over, then I'll take OTT and other projects.
Nice. We would.
Sorry, I would like for all my friends who are here.
Yeah.
You must have met. Just my hand. She's my big boss 8 friend. You must have seen.
Yeah.
And she always comes to the Ganpati. Birthday में टांग दे देती है. Stop it. I'm unwell. I'm still unwell. We both are lioness and we love each other too much. Rehan! See, all these my friends are like my family. Always there with me. My birthday, we had this theme of Hollywood, Bollywood, and we became one Mithil Chakravarti. And I love it कि मेरे जो friends हैं ना, मेरे festival या मेरा birthday होता है ना, they feel it's their own. So it makes me feel
Nice.
I have this huge big family. And
like family.
yeah. Lot more are coming. Rohit is not come. सब आएंगे 5 दिन है, so they all come. Thank you so much. And hello, this is my Ardangini team.
Okay.
Yeah, light is not there. Light beginning.
Yeah, this area only. Yeah.
Hello. I did one show called Maybe Ardangini. It was in Jaipur. So from that time, she's Anjali. She was playing the main lead. That is Aditi. She was other main lead. That is Diksha. She was playing my bow. That was her first show. That's Bhumi. She was a creative in our show. So we all became family and we all lived like a hostel life in Jaipur. So तब से लेके अब तक हम सब साथ में ही हैं. And wherever I work, I make a family and they all are like my family.
So sweet.
मैं और अदिति हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी। मैं और अदिति डी के पहले हॉस्टल पार्टनर रहे हैं।
ये मेरी रूममेट थी, दोनों फ्लैटमेट्स थी, विच आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू मिस, क्योंकि मैं बॉम्बे में पैदा हुई तो मुझे लगता था यार रूममेट्स नहीं है, मैं रह नहीं सकती, तो ये दोनों मेरे रूममेट थे। इसके बाद ये बनी और फिर ये क्रिएटिव में आई, सो वी आर टचवुड स्टिल टुगेदर,
Nice.
विल ऑलवेज बी टुगेदर। यस
Last-
wherever you go.
Nice, nice. That is very sweet. So lastly आपको कुछ ऐसे मैसेज देना है all of you all मिलके for गणपति.
मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि जैसे सारी मुसीबतें चली गई है, हट गई है, गणपति बापा आपकी लाइफ में बहुत खुशियाँ लाए, सारे आपके प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर करें, सब आपकी मनोकामनाएं पूरी करें। शुरुआत मुझसे करें। So we can all just say गणपति बापा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया।